Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can commit or push changes to a GitHub repository. So this is a repository that I already have here, and I'll be trying to push changes to this repository. So now I'm going to my file explorer here. So we already have this repository here that we've already cloned already. So in case you don't know how to clone a repository, we also have a video where we clone this repository, so you can also look at how to clone the repository in case you don't know. So this repository has already been cloned, so now I'm going to make like a changes here so that push that changes back to the same repository on GitHub. So I'm going to create a new file here, so new test document. So I say hello.txt. Then let me just open with Notepad. So I'll just add some text there. So I just say maybe hello world or something. So I just save this text and close it. So now I'm going to try and push these changes back to GitHub. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open Git bash here. So I right click and open Git bash here. Let me zoom in a little bit so that you see right here. So git add. So first of all, we have to stage all our changes first before we commit. So to stage it, we use git app. We use git add all. Now this has staged all our changes. So in case I do, for example, git status, I want to check. So git status, for instance, so you can see, let me zoom out so you see very well. You can see it's saying that changes, it has detected a changes. So it's saying new file hello.txt added. So we have staged this change, which is the hello.txt. So it means that now we have to commit this stage file and commit it to GitHub. So to do that, we just say git commit git commit -m, then we'll put our commit message. So maybe I'll say my commit message will be added a new file. Just click enter. So now new file now has been committed. So now we are going to push this file now to GitHub. So it means that now we've committed the changes. So we added a new file and we committed this change to GitHub. But right now locally we know that we've committed this file, but GitHub doesn't know that this file has been committed. So it means until we have to push this code to GitHub before GitHub will recognize that okay, there's a new commit that we have to add it to the code there. So to do that, we just have to use git push. Then you can see it has push my changes successfully. So if I should go back to my repository now, this is the state of the repository. Now we only have 2 files here. So now let me try refresh this again. So right after refreshing this, you can see a new file has been added, which is the hello.txt that I just created. And you see the commit message I added here, added a new file. So if I should click on it, you see we have the hello world and our file that we've added there. So this is how we commit changes to GitHub. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. See you in another video.